Our Movecube is here! So if you watched our previous video about how much it cost us to move here, you will have heard us mention that we paid for a large Movecube to bring some of our belongings from the UK to Australia. Now, how much did we pay for this size Movecube? It was £4,455 British pounds. So we didn't bring any furniture. We brought the kids' good mattresses from England. Now, there are a few things in here that you don't necessarily need to bring. The mattresses are one of them because the sizes here are not the same as British sizes. So the mattress we bought that was Lewis's was a single in England. It will not fit his single bed here in Australia. So we have brought them to use as spares. Instead of having to buy a second set, again, for when family and friends come and visit. So these are things that you can do if you know you are going to have the spare space inside your Movecube, like what we did. Now you can see that white box on the bottom left there. That contains everybody's shoes that we brought here that didn't go in the suitcases. Now, Australia is pretty strict on bringing in things from other countries, so you will need to make sure your shoes are all clean, and this box goes in last in the Movecube for customs to have a check. We do have electronics in there, Xboxes, VRs, all your keepsakes, things like that, and a TV.
Get off now! Get off!
Our cube took approximately 5 months to get here from England to our door, including going through customs in England and Australia as well. There are rules about some things you can and can't bring, so definitely check the guidelines before you decide you are putting your entire home into one of these cubes. We used 7Cs and we don't have any complaints. We did have to chase up where the cube was near the end, but that was because it has to go through customs from Melbourne and be cleared to transfer through to wherever you are, where in Perth. So that did add on in a little journey as well. So bear it in mind for things you are packing. For example, if you're putting clothes in, are they actually going to fit anybody by the time they get here? The stuff we packed for the kids, because it was too big for them in England, don't fit them here now anyway because they've both had a growth spurt in the time we've been waiting for them. And it's messy emptying it out.
We have an RC car that has came all the way from Britain and it has the worst battery life you've ever seen. You get about 15-20 minutes of use out of it and then you've got to charge it for 1 hour. No, is it 4? I think it's 4 hours or something.
Little update. Yeah. Absolute mess. Stuff everywhere. Clothes. Kitchen stuff, half of it. Don't even know why we've brought it, to be honest. We bought it all. Oh, that's nice. I'll have to fill that up later tonight.
I know I brought that because I knew you'd like it.
Yes, that's getting filled tonight.
Can't forget that. Holly's sweet.
I was going to say, which one is that?
Holly's.
Is Holly happy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where's your baby?
Oh, there's 2.
Is that one mine then?
No, yours is different.
There's 1 baby and 2 babies. Holly, are you happy?
I got the 2 babies.
2 babies.
Oh, that's lovely.
Right, what I will say is, anybody doing the move, have a serious think about what you actually want to bring. Because I'm not going to lie, a lot of the stuff we've brought here, I wish I hadn't even bothered. But because I wanted to bring the bikes, and we're spending the amount of money which was going to cost to bring the bikes, we've kind of just put stuff in for the sake of putting stuff in because there was space. But honestly, I wish I'd probably not even bought the bikes. But if I hadn't, I would have probably spent the same as what it cost to bring the stuff here, or more, to go and buy myself a new bike, if that makes any sense. I was yabbering on the back.
So when they do bring the Movecube to your door for delivery, you are able to have 1 hour to remove everything and check it all off. So what you have to do initially is fill an itinerary form in, and it marks down everything that you have, that you've packed, and it marks down everything that you take out of the cube to receive. I have overlaid some of these clips again, just because we didn't have the GoPro out filming the entire thing, because there was just so much going on. So I've just voiced over this whole thing, apart from a couple of clips that we did get a little bit of filming done. But there was just so much going on, and with the kids running around, it was just crazy. So it is nice to have some of the things from our old life in our new life. It does make it feel a little bit more familiar, but it really isn't necessary. If we weren't bringing things over anyway, like the bikes and the TV, like Jack said, we probably would have just used Get My Parcel and sent the keepsakes over. So if you're looking to move, I hope this helped. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.